All right, so you guys ready for ram pump 2.0? Yeah, me too. We made a bigger ram pump. The 3/4 inch pump we used last year just wasn't getting up there enough. We got it to a point where water was trickling out, but it wasn't pushing enough. And I think there's a couple problems there that we could have done to maybe get the water flow up there, but I think over time it still wouldn't have pushed enough to fill up the tank efficiently. So we went up from a 3/4 inch ram pump to an 1.25 inch ram pump. And if you guys want all the details of the ram pump, I'm going to urge you to go back to our other video. She'll put it over here somewhere, and watch how that one went together. Also, go to Clemson University. Just type in your search Clemson ram pump, and it should pull up. Should be one of the first, top 2 or 3 items on the search page. And great detailed how-to on ram pumps. So here's me putting the new ram pump together. I'm going to finish it up this morning with the bladder tank or whatever, the pressure tank. But here's some video of that going together. And then next time you see us, we'll be back down at the creek, installing the new ram pump, getting the new drive pipe and stuff put in.
Oh, yeah.
There's water going in through the top though.
Yep, there sure is. Okay.
That's awesome.
So, this is typical Stuart fashion. Of course I forgot something, but it was some of the most important parts that we need to put this together. No, I had it all set out, ready to go in the bucket to go. So we're gonna go up and grab the PVC primer, glue, Teflon tape, pipe dope, screen to put over the inlet, and what was the other thing?
Your coupler.
Oh, my coupler to connect the PVC to the steel pipe. Oh, for Pete's sakes.
It wasn't just something, it was a lot of things.
Oh no, is that crack?
Uh-oh.
we can't do nothing. That valve's cracked, so it won't work at all. Okay, so we cut the video short yesterday because I broke the check valve. I guess I might have tightened it too tight, I don't know. We re-watched the video and it didn't look like I tightened it too tight, but I did. So we had to run into town, get another check valve, and I had an idea about a filter for the inlet, because in the video you can see all this debris running around. That's going to go down the inlet. So they sell these inline filters for your bulk tanks. So we just bought a filter and then a 2-inch cap that just kind of screws right on top of it, and we're going to put that over the inlet to keep the big stuff from coming out down here and clogging up our tank up top. So anyway, I'm going to get this stuff taken care of real quick and we'll fire up the ram pump.
What do you think? Put a comment below. Is this ram pump going to work or not? Are we actually going to get water off this stream?
Hey George, you need to drink some water. Here you go. Thank you. Two cracks, one right there and one right there. And I'm guessing by the way they're cracked that I had it too tight.
Loop. Loop.
Did forget my torch though.
Oh shit.
You got a lighter on you?
Yeah.
I'll need it.
Not working yet. Okay, so two problems. We need more PVC pipe. We need to put the ram pump down at the original position where it was before. And we have a leak in the bladder, and Stuart needs to tighten that up. So we're gonna probably have to go back into town and get some PVC. So we'll be back.
Hi Goose, oh this sweet boy. Look at this sweet boy. We're here at the water tank. Very excited to see what's going on. I hope you guys are too. A lot of you guys know how long we've waited for this and the troubles we went through last year. But real quick before we get into the tank, I'm not gonna go back down to the creek and show you what I did because I'll just make this video way too long. And for us it's been a long time. You're gonna get it all in 10 minutes and it's taken a long time for us to get to this point. So all I did down at the creek was I knew we didn't have enough pipe to begin with, but we were gonna check it anyway. But I ended up adding another stick of PVC, another stick of galvanized to it, and that dropped it 16 feet down and a couple more feet in elevation, and got it pumping again. Got it pumping with the pressures that we wanted, or that we thought we should have, and then some. And so that's really all I did. And it's okay, you guys don't need to see that. It'll just be boring for you. So let's check the tank out. That's a good sign, right? Let's open it up. Like my ladder. Gabby. Oh, can you guys smell that? Smells like a rainstorm. Love the smell of water. You guys want to see? Come here, I'll show you. Look at that water. Isn't that awesome? How far back can you see? So we don't have to haul water for the rest of the summer. Really even probably the rest of the year, but with winter coming on, we got some other stuff that we're gonna try and get accomplished. If we get that accomplished, we'll bring you guys along for the ride. So we got some cabin stuff to talk to you about to you guys too. So we're gonna hit all that stuff in a later episode. Such beautiful water. I'm sorry. I'm loopy. This has been a long time coming. So anyway, before you comment about the water making us sick and doing all the other happy stuff that, you know, water has the potential to do to you, we're okay. All of our water goes through a Berkey filter. Right now, our drinking water goes through a Berkey filter. And I don't worry about the dogs because they drink mud puddles. So don't worry about the doggies. And as far as cooking goes, as far as cooking goes, that's the least of my worries because it only takes a couple minutes of boiling water to get rid of the nasties in there. And we're also looking into a filter system, a couple of different sediment filters, maybe a charcoal filter to wash the water, maybe a UV sanitizer, so we can just drink the water straight from the tank. But, you know, those are future plans. Right now we got water we don't have to haul. We got a way to filter drinking water. So I'm happy. Are you guys happy? I'm happy. Honey, are you happy?
I'm ecstatic.
All right, guys. So smash that like button. Make a comment. Say hi to Goose. I told you to say hi to Gabby. I don't know where she's at. And, crap. I guess I'll see you on the next one. Peace!